Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. We are loving all the newly released American Girl play sets. There are so many fun items to recreate. So today we share with you part 1 of our DIY AG coffee shop. Make your own barista bar with built-in sink, fridge, shelving and lights. Turn the structure around to reveal a modern wall mural and eating counter big enough for 2 dolls. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For this craft, we are using thick 10mm foam board. Cut your back wall. Cover the top 28cm with white subway tar paper. This is an Adobe stock image. A link will be in the description box. Flip the back wall over and paint the colourful mural. First, sketch the design lightly in pencil. Paint in the larger pink, blue and yellow areas. Then add the orange and black sections. Finish with the overlaid dots, swirls and stripes. Below the mural, cover the foam board with wood grain contact paper. Next, cut a rectangle of foam board for the eating counter. Cover this piece with marble contact paper. Hot glue your counter piece 22cm from the bottom edge of the back wall. To mimic the metal brackets, we are using plastic tablecloth clips. Paint them black, then hot glue your clips under the counter flush with each side edge. The clips look great and also add extra stability for the shelf. Turn the back wall over again. It's time to make the bar area. From thick foam board, cut the front frame, top counter, base, and 4 side walls. Take your front frame piece and sketch the placement for the fridge, cupboards and drawers. We allowed a 1cm border at the top, bottom and side left. Make a 1.5cm border side right. Cut out the recycle bin door, centre cupboard doors and fridge door. We have 2 faux drawers. To define this area, cut and glue rectangles of paperboard, just like we did in our Chic country kitchen video. We also adhered paperboard frames to our doors to match the AG design. Cut your centre cupboard piece in half for 2 doors. Take your fridge piece. Trace a 1.5cm border with an arch at the top, then cut this area out. To mimic glass, cut a piece of plastic packaging the same size as the door. We are going to use the paperboard hinge method to attach all our doors to the front frame. Paint the fridge silver and the rest a bright blue. Our hinges are skinny sticks trimmed to 10cm in length. Hot glue a bead to the top and bottom, then paint silver. Use liquid glue to adhere the fridge and cupboard doors to the front frame. Now let's assemble the coffee bar area. Glue your base to the back wall. Adhere another rectangle of 5mm foam board to your right side wall, then affix this thicker wall in place. Next, glue in the left side wall. For inside the fridge, cut and glue a smaller rectangle for the floor, then add the side wall. Note only one side is painted blue. Position the fridge shelf 9.5cm up from the floor. Glue in the final side wall to divide the bin and cupboard areas. Our sink is a recycled plastic jelly cup. Position it off-centre to the left side of the counter. Trace around the cup, but cut 5mm inside the pencil line since our container has a lip. Cover your kitchen counter with marble contact paper, then secure the sink in place with hot glue. Here we took a round push pin for the faux drawer handle and painted it silver. Do the same for the recycling bin door. The inside drawer is made from 5mm foam board, cut, painted, then hot glued together. We are ready to attach the front frame to the base and side walls, then glue on the countertop. To cover the exposed foam core of the base piece, cut and glue a 1cm strip of black poster board. Okay, let's move up to the awning. Cut more rectangles of thick foam board for the roof, front piece, and 2 trapeziums for the sides. Glue your front piece to the angled cut edge of each side piece as seen on screen. Following this, adhere the roof. Paint pink to match the AG colours. Again, we hand-painted the bold mural segment and wrote the shop name in black Sharpie. Hot glue to the back wall and attach more tablecloth clips under the awning for added detail. The small shelves are scraps of thick foam board covered in wood grain contact paper, adhered just below the clips. We will show how to make these cute coffee cups in an upcoming video. Our coffee shop sign is cut from 5mm black foam board. You can draw the menu in white gel pen like we did for our DIY hot chocolate stand, or screenshot the menu from AG stock images and print. Simply cut out and glue to the foam board, then adhere the foam board to the back wall. To create the skylight effect, we took 2 pop lights that we use in the dollhouse. Mask off the clear center, then paint the same pink as your awning. Our pop lights conveniently have adhesive on the back, but you can choose to hot glue yours underneath the awning. Space the pop lights evenly to illuminate the sign. We made the kitchen tap from a plastic clothes hanger combined with an oval bead and cork, just like we did for Kira's vanity in her platform tent. Paint the faucet and hardware silver. Make a shallow slit in the foam board behind the sink, fill with hot glue, then insert the faucet. Our hand towel dispenser is just a Shopkins toy box. It's a great size. Paint the box silver. On the underside, cut a slit for the towel. Ours is just a scrap of white fabric. Fold it into thirds, then in half. Push the raw edge of the fabric through the slit, securing with hot glue. Then adhere the dispenser to the back wall near the tap. With the rest of our plastic clothes hanger, we can make the bar stools. Measure 15 centimeters from the curved end and cut. You will need 4 of these pieces per stool, plus 2 10cm straight lengths. On a non-stick surface, hot glue the center bar between the curved ends, making a U shape. Repeat to make a second. Take one and cut the center bar in half so you can glue it either side of the first, making an X shape for the base. From thick foam board, cut a large circle for the seat and a smaller one for support. Pre-cut slots into the seat for the stool legs. Notice how they do not go all the way through the foam board. Hot glue the legs in place, then affix the support piece underneath, giving the legs more points of contact with the hot glue for better durability. Paint the legs a dark blue color and your stools are complete. We hope you enjoyed this DIY version of American Girl's new coffee shop. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see us recreate the checkout counter, accessories and food items too. If you'd like to make a doll barista style coffee machine, click the card top right. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!